Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to create a pie chart in Excel with percentages. Charts are great ways to visualize data, and Excel has a number of options for creating different types of charts and for formatting them. The type of chart you create depends on the data set that you have. When you want to display elements of a whole, then a pie chart is a good option. Although many people don't seem to favor a pie chart, I personally think that it is a good way to display the percentages of a whole. For example, if you have the monthly sales for a store, you can create a pie chart showing the percentage-wise contribution of each branch. When this is displayed as a pie chart, it is very easy to see which branches have performed well and which haven't. So to build a pie chart, the numbers have to be converted into percentages. Excel does this automatically if you have if your data set contains only numbers, but you can also create a pie chart with the percentages. Of course, you need to make sure that the percentages add up to 100 to make the pie chart make sense. Otherwise, it will be showing you wrong data. So in this example, I have for the year 2020, the percentage of tourists who have visited from different countries. So I want to create a pie chart that will show me out of all the tourists, which percentage have come from what country. So the first thing I'll do is I'll select the data, then go to Insert menu. Under this, I will go and look at the Insert Pie or Donut chart, expand that, and say 2D pie. At once, the pie chart is displayed here as an object. So I can move it around and I can also resize this. Now I need to add the data labels because that is missing from this. To do this, I've selected the chart. When I do that, it brings forth the chart design and the format menus. Under this, I'll say add chart element data labels. And as I scroll down, it shows me the positioning. So I think the outside end looks best. And so I will select that and it is displayed with percentages. Just a couple of tips when creating a pie chart. One thing is if you have too many data values, data points, the pie chart will tend to look cluttered and you will not be able to even read some of the slices properly. In that case, it may be a good idea to aggregate some of the values. Maybe the lesser values, aggregate them together and show them as a single value. In this example, I've done that with the others and shown just 4% for the others. Now, another thing here is that you can see that uh, since I selected both columns A and B, both those have come as the legend, both the year and the country. So, of course, you could change this by, since it's being repeated for each one, you could pull out the 2020 and maybe make it part of the title and have just the, so when you're building the pie chart, just select columns B and C so that only the countries are displayed and you can add the year 2020 to the title. So this is how to make a pie chart in Excel with percentages. Please read the appended article for further guidance.